Hi everyone, I am Rupal Gupta and you are watching mathematics classes. Today we will discuss about how to find place value and value of digit in a number. We will use the concept of number formation to solve algebraic digit word problems. In class 6 and 7, we had already learned about the structure of number. Suppose we have a number 4257. Then for the place value we can expand it. The expanded form of 4257 is 4000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 7. We read it as 4257. Expanded form expresses the values of digits used in the number. When we are reading the numbers, we are also expressing values of these digits. We can also say it like 4000 plus 200 plus 50 or 5 tens plus 7 ones. For the place value of these numbers, we can write on the number itself as we have mentioned here. From right to left, it is start from ones place or unit digit and then tens, hundreds and thousands. Each next value is 10 times the previous one. These are all the place value of each digit. The same number can be written by placing different number of circle. Here, green circle represent ones place, grey represent tens place, orange and yellow represent hundreds and thousands place. So we need to use 7 green circle for unit place, 5 grey circle for tens place, 2 orange circle for hundreds place and 4 yellow circle for thousands place. So for the number we need to add each digit's value due to their position. We get our number as 4000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 7. Place value and the value of each digit is given here. We need to solve algebraic problem related to two-digit number. So, let us consider a two-digit number as 62. It has two digits 6 and 2. So, we have two places, ones and tens. In 62, the value of 6 in 62 is 60 and the place value of 6 is tens. And the value of 2 in 62 is 2 and place value of 2 is ones. So 62 equal to 60 plus 2 equal to 6 into 10 plus 2. Number formed or original number will always be 10 times tens digit plus unit digit. So 10 into 6 which is at tens place plus 2 which is at ones place will be equal to 62. It is read as 60 and 2 or 62. This is one of the most important concept to remember. Two-digit number is the addition of unit place digit is multiplied by 1 and tens digit multiplied by 10. You have to remember these things. If we wanted to reverse the number, then we need to simply switch their places. Means 6 हमारा unit place में होगा या ones place and 2 हमारा tens place में होगा. So, reverse number formed or our new number will be 10 into tens digit plus units digit. Means tens digit को हम 10 से multiply करेंगे and unit digit को 1 से multiply करेंगे. That will be 10 into 2 plus 6 which is equal to 26. हमें हमेशा ध्यान रखना है कि यूनिट प्लेस की वैल्यू 1 से मल्टीप्लाई होगी और टेंस प्लेस की वैल्यू 10 से मल्टीप्लाई होगी. फिर उसे ऐड करने पर जो भी नंबर मिलेगा वो हमारा टू डिजिट नंबर होगा. जब भी हमें नंबर रिवर्स करना होगा तो हम प्लेसेस को स्विच करेंगे. यूनिट प्लेस टेंस प्लेस बन जाएगा और टेंस प्लेस यूनिट प्लेस. इसे हम एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं। Let us take one example. The digit at the tens place of a two-digit number is thrice the digit at the ones place. If the sum of these number and the number formed by reversing the digit is 88, find the number. यहाँ क्वेश्चन में हमें टेंस प्लेस का इंफॉर्मेशन गिवन है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वंस प्लेस. सो लेट द वंस प्लेस डिजिट इक्वल टू x. देन टेंस प्लेस डिजिट equal to 3 times ones place, that is 3x. So number formed equal to 10 into tens digit plus unit digit, that is 10 into 3x plus x will be equal to 30x plus x becomes 31x. Let us reverse the digit. Unit digit equal to 3x and tens digit equal to x. Reverse number formed equal to 10 into x plus 3x, which becomes 13x. According to the question, the sum of both number is 88. So 31x plus 13x equal to 88. If we add LHS and then divided by 44, we get x as 2. So we get our unit digit as 2. Since our original number is 31x, so putting the value of x as 2, we get 62. You can also check the solution. 6 is 3 times the number and the reverse of 62 gives you 26 and their addition is 88. So the solution is correct. Let us take one more example. The sum of digits of two-digit number is 8. If the new number formed by reversing the digits is less than the original number by 36, find the original number. Let the unit digit be x. Since the sum of digit is 8, so tens digit will be 8 minus x. We can think the same by taking some more numeric value, like if the unit digit is 3, then tens digit must be 5 because 3 plus 5 is 8. If the unit digit is 2, then tens digit must be 6 because 2 plus 6 is 8. And अगर हमारा unit digit 1 है तो tens digit 7 होगा क्योंकि दोनों को ऐड करने पर हमें सम 8 मिलेगा. That is 1 plus 7 equals 8. These 5, 6 and 7 can be written as 8 minus 3, 8 minus 2 and 8 minus 1 respectively. यहाँ हम देख सकते हैं कि हर केस में हमने टेंस डिजिट फाइंड आउट करने के लिए 8 से यूनिट डिजिट को माइनस किया है. Then using the same logic, if unit place is x, so tens digit will be 8 minus x. So our original number will be 10 in the bracket 8 minus x plus x equals to 80 minus 10x plus x becomes 80 minus 9x. Reversing the digits, unit digit 8 minus x and tens digit equal to x. So new number will be 10x plus 8 minus x equals to 9x plus 8. As new number is less than the original number by 36, means नया नंबर ओरिजिनल नंबर से 36 छोटा है. So दोनों नंबर को इक्वल करने के लिए हम ओरिजिनल नंबर से 36 माइनस कर सकते हैं. Then our new number will be original number minus 36. 9x plus 8 equal to 80 minus 9x minus 36. Transpose minus 9x to LHS and 8 to RHS, we will get 9x plus 9x equal to 80 minus 8 minus 36 becomes 18x equal to 36 becomes x equal to 2. Putting the value of x, we will get original number equal to 80 minus 9x, that is 80 minus 9 times 2 equal to 80 minus 18 becomes 62. So our original number will be 62. You can check the solution as earlier we did it for last question. The same question can be rephrased as the digits of two-digit number is differ by 4. If the sum of original number and the number formed by reversing the digit is 88, find the original number. Here, the difference is given as 4. So, if the unit digit is x, then tens digit would be x plus 4. You can understand this from this table. Since हमारे दोनों डिजिट का डिफरेंस 4 होना चाहिए, तो सपोज अगर हमारा यूनिट डिजिट 3 है तो टेंस 7 होगा क्योंकि 7 एंड 3 का डिफरेंस 4 होता है। सिमिलरली अगर 2 यूनिट डिजिट है तो हमें टेंस डिजिट 6 लेना होगा क्योंकि 6 एंड 2 का डिफरेंस भी 4 होता है। हम यहाँ 7 एंड 6 को 4 प्लस 3 एंड 4 प्लस 2 भी लिख सकते हैं। एज हमने यूनिट डिजिट में 4 ऐड किया है तो टेंस डिजिट फाइंड आउट करने के लिए सो दैट हमारा डिफरेंस हमेशा 4 ही रहे, तो सिमिलरली यूनिट डिजिट अगर x होगा तो हम टेंस डिजिट x प्लस 4 ले सकते हैं। नाउ फाइंड द ओरिजिनल नंबर एज अर्लियर एक्सप्लेन्ड। हमेशा जो भी टेंस डिजिट पर होगा उसे 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और यूनिट डिजिट के साथ ऐड कर देंगे तो हमें नंबर मिल जाएगा। We get 11x plus 40. After reversing, we will get 11x plus 4. इस बार डिजिट रिवर्स हो जाएगी, यहाँ पर अच्छे से समझाया गया है। सम हमें 88 दिया है क्वेश्चन में, सो इफ वी सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन वी विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x इक्वल टू 2 एंड नंबर वुड बी अगेन 62. Here, by using these question, we had shown you that the question formation would be very much similar in the exercise. You should be comfortable in forming the number when unit digit and tens digit is given. How to reverse a digit and how to form linear equation based on the question. Thank you so much for watching the video. This lecture is very important for solving exercise problem. If you are still having any doubt, kindly do post your comment below. In the next lecture, we will solve the exercise problem. Stay safe. See you soon.